Foodie, the next time you're in the Lisbon area, make sure to make time for one of our favorite restaurants, Ponto Final, or Final Point. And in this video, I'll tell you all about it. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. At Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Back to the video. We first heard of Ponto Final by reading about it in guidebooks and seeing it online, and we were intrigued. I love seafood, and the fresher the better, so we said, why not? And some of our family was going to be with us during this part of the trip, so we thought it'd be a great experience. From the moment we got there, it did not disappoint. The restaurant had it all. Delicious food, check. Sweeping views, check. Great atmosphere, check. And even a little bit of danger, check. Here's a quick video of the view that we had. Ponto Final is located in the Almada, Portugal, which is across the Tagus River from Lisbon on a pier all the way at the bottom of a hill, or really you could call it a cliff. You can reach it by ferry or take a boat or Uber. When you get there, don't make the same mistake that we did, walking down all 240 steps, unless you just want to get your daily steps in. There's a giant elevator, which I don't for the life of me know how we didn't see it, to the left of the stairs that will take you to the restaurant level, where it's just a short walk, but being that it's Portugal, of course, part of it's a hill, but it's still a short walk to the restaurant. But once you get there, then the magic begins. Be prepared. Some of the seats, like the one that I'm in, are right on the edge. And that's the danger for you. So you don't want to make any sudden moves. You can see Lisbon all the way from the pier where the cruise ship docks, all the way up to the 25th of April bridge. The menu is lengthy and there's something for everyone. Chicken, veal, beef, pork, and of course, seafood. You have to be patient because it can take up to 40 minutes for your food to cook. But that's one of the things that we enjoyed because that fits right in with the Passport and Soul concept of slow travel. Besides, you can entertain yourself while you wait by having great conversation or by looking at the fish that are swimming by. But once your food arrives, it's like being in heaven. I had the bass and it was grilled to perfection with a light seasoning of salt, and they also provided a garlic and olive oil sauce. As I said earlier, we had family with us on this part of the trip, so we got a chance to try several dishes, and they were all good. Grilled sardines, which is a Portuguese favorite, bacalhau, which is otherwise known as codfish cakes, lightly salted and roasted potatoes, white rice, grilled salmon, veal, fries, and creme brulee for dessert. The food is simple and hearty, just like I like, and the portions are super generous. Craig was about to order the chicken and rice, but the waitress warned him not to because of the portion size and the rest of the food that we had already ordered. And she was right. The table next to us ordered it, and all four of them could easily share that one dish, and they actually did. So if you want to have a great, non-pretentious dining experience when you're in the Lisbon area, then make it your mission to go to Ponto Final. And if you go, let us know in the comments section how you enjoyed the experience. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone else. Until next time.